Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Honda Odyssey. This four-door van has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.